From Sooner Standards, Incorporating Code, Media, and Libraries with Attribution, a complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6APPD02. Students learn to incorporate existing code, media, and libraries into original programs and give proper attribution. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual license comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQIM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,